Hello, English learners. Welcome back to Talk Flora. I am so happy you are here with us today. I'm Emma.
And I'm Jack. It is great to see you all. And honestly, Emma, I am really excited about today's topic. It is one of those things that seems simple, super simple, but actually drives students crazy.
Oh, completely. It drives me crazy sometimes, and I speak English every day. Today, we are talking about two tiny words come and go.
Just four letters combined. Come, go. But the confusion? The confusion is huge.
Huge. Jack, tell them what happened to me yesterday. This is embarrassing, but tell them.
Okay, so Emma called me yesterday. She was at the coffee shop, and I was at the office. And she said, Jack, are you going to the office today?
And I was already at the office. So I should have said, wait, actually, now I'm confused again. See? This is why we are doing this episode.
Don't worry, Emma. That is exactly why we are here. By the end of this conversation, you and everyone listening will know exactly when to use come and when to use go. We're going to make it natural, we're going to make it easy, and we are going to fix this mistake forever.
Yes, let's fix it. So, Jack, start with the absolute basics. Imagine I am a beginner. What is the number one rule?
Okay, imagine a circle, a small circle on the floor.
Okay, I'm imagining it.
You are standing in the middle of that circle.
Okay, I am in the circle.
Perfect. Now, anything that moves toward you, moving into your circle, is come.
Movement toward me. Got it.
And anything that moves away from you, leaving your circle, is go.
Okay, that feels easy. So if I have a dog,
Right, let's use a dog. If the dog is across the park and you want him to be near you, what do you say?
I say, come here, Buster. Come here.
Exactly, because you want the dog to move toward your location. You are the magnet.
I am the magnet. I like that. So come equals magnet pulling things to me.
Yes. Now imagine the dog is jumping on the sofa and you want him to leave the room.
I would say, go. Go to your bed.
Perfect, because the movement is away from you.
Okay, Jack, that is the simple part. I think most of our listeners know that part. But it gets tricky, right? It gets tricky when we talk about other people.
It does. It gets tricky because of the telephone and technology.
The telephone?
Yes, in many languages, if I am moving, I always use the word go, right?
Right. In my head, if I am moving my feet, I am going somewhere.
But in English, there's a special exception, a very warm, friendly exception.
Ooh, I like friendly exceptions. Tell us.
If you are moving toward the person you're speaking to, you use come.
Wait, let me process that. If I am moving toward the person listening to me, I use come?
Yes, even though you are leaving your current location. This is the party rule.
The party rule. Okay, explain the party rule.
Okay, imagine I am having a birthday party at my house tonight. I am at my house, you are at your house. I call you on the phone.
Ring ring. Hello, Jack.
Hey, Emma, the party is starting. Where are you?
Now, in my head, I am leaving my house, so I want to say I am going. But
But you are moving toward me and I am the listener. So in English, we want to close the distance between us. We want to be connected. So you don't say, I'm going, you say,
I'm coming.
exactly, I am coming to your party.
I'm coming. Well, it feels so natural when you say it, but when I think about the grammar, it feels weird. I am moving away from my house, so why isn't it go?
Because in English, the connection between friends is stronger than the connection to the building. You are moving toward me, the speaker.
That is actually really sweet. It's like English is a language of connection.
It really is. Think about it. If you said, Jack, I am going to your party, it sounds a little distant. It sounds like a fact. But I'm coming to your party sounds like a promise. It sounds like you are already mentally here with me.
I love that. Okay, listeners, did you hear that? If you are moving toward your friend, use come.
Let's practice this, Emma. Let's do a quick role play.
I love role plays. Let's do it.
Okay, I am at the park, you are at the library. I text you, the weather is beautiful here.
Okay, and I want to join you. I want to be with you at the park. So I reply, I am coming to the park now.
Yes, perfect. Now change the situation. I'm at the park, you are at the library, but you want to go to the cinema alone. You are not meeting me.
Ah, okay. So I am not moving toward you. I am moving to a third place, a totally different place.
Exactly.
So I would say, Jack, enjoy the park. I am going to the cinema.
Boom, you got it. Because you are moving away from me and away from yourself. The movement is not shared.
That makes so much sense. So if we meet, it's come. If we split up, it's go.
That is a fantastic way to summarize it, Emma. If we meet, it's come. If we separate, it's go.
Okay, I have a tricky one for you, Jack.
Hit me with it.
What about when we talk about the past? Does the rule change?
Oh, good question. The rule stays the same, but the feeling changes a little bit. Let's talk about came and went.
Came and went. The past tense forms.
Yes, let's say you visited Paris last year.
I wish, but okay, let's pretend. I was in Paris.
If you were telling me this story while we are sitting here in the studio, and you were talking about leaving here to go there, what do you say?
I would say, I went to Paris last year.
Right, because Paris is away from here. You went away.
But what if I met a French person in Paris?
Okay, set the scene. You are in Paris, you meet a nice French guy named Pierre.
Hello, Pierre.
Pierre asks you, Emma, when did you arrive in Paris?
Oh, okay. So now I am in Paris. Pierre is in Paris. The movement was toward the location where we are standing right now.
Exactly. So you don't say, I went to Paris. You say,
I came to Paris 2 days ago.
yes, because you are standing in Paris when you say it.
This is the key, isn't it? It's all about where you are standing when you speak.
That is the golden rule of Talk Flora today. Where are your feet? If the movement was toward your feet, use come, came. If the movement was away from your feet, use go, went.
Okay, I want to interrupt you because I just thought of something that confuses me.
Go ahead.
What about home? Home is special, right?
Home is very special.
We say go home and come home, but sometimes it feels emotional.
It is emotional. Listen to the difference. Imagine a teenager is arguing with their parents. The teenager storms out the door. The mom yells,
Come back.
come back home, because she wants the child to return to where she is. It's a pulling feeling.
But if the mom is angry?
Maybe she says, go to your room.
Oh, harsh. But yes, go pushes them away.
Now think about work. At the end of the day, you are at the office. You are tired. You pack your bag. You say to your colleague,
I'm going home.
correct. You are at the office. Home is away. I'm going home.
But then I call my husband. He is at our house waiting for me.
You were talking to the person at the destination. The party rule applies.
So I say, honey, put the kettle on. I'm coming home.
Perfect. I'm going home tells your colleague you are leaving. I'm coming home tells your husband you are arriving.
I love that distinction. It's the same action, driving my car, but two different perspectives.
One action, two perspectives. English is all about perspective.
Jack, can we talk about some phrasal verbs? Because come and go are never just alone, are they? They always bring friends. Come on, go out, come over.
They love prepositions. Let's tackle the most common friendly one. Come over.
Come over. I hear this in movies all the time. Hey, do you want to come over?
Yes, come over basically means visit my house. It is very casual, very relaxed.
So if I want to invite our listeners to my house for dinner, which would be a very crowded dinner, I would say,
Why don't you come over for dinner?
and can I use go over?
You can, but it means something different. go over usually implies movement to a specific place near the speaker or reviewing something, like, let's go over these papers.
Ah, like checking the papers. Let's go over the homework.
Exactly, but for visiting, stick to come over.
What about go out?
Go out usually means leaving your house for entertainment, like a date or a party or a restaurant.
So, I want to go out tonight.
Yes, you are leaving your safe circle, your home, to explore the world. You are going out.
But if I am at a club and I see my friend outside and I want him to enter the club.
You are inside, he is outside. You want him to move toward you.
Come in.
Come inside, or just come in.
It really does always come back to the magnet, doesn't it?
It always comes back to the magnet. Me, here, now.
Jack, I want to ask about a mistake I hear a lot. It's about coming back versus going back.
Oh, the return trip. This is a classic mistake.
Let's say I am from Brazil. I am currently living in London, but I plan to visit Brazil for Christmas.
Okay, you are in London right now.
Yes, I am in London. Do I say I am coming back to Brazil or I am going back to Brazil?
This is the ultimate test. Where are your feet right now?
My feet are in London.
And Brazil is far away?
Yes.
Then you are going back. You are pushing away from your current location.
I am going back to Brazil for Christmas. Okay.
Now, imagine you arrive in Brazil. You're standing on the beach in Rio. You're talking to your mom who is standing next to you.
Okay, I am in Brazil now.
Now you talk about the trip. You say, it's so good to...
To come back to Brazil.
Yes, because now your feet are there. You have arrived.
It feels so obvious when you explain it, but in the moment, it's so easy to mix up.
It is. And here's a tip for our listeners. If you're unsure, just think about where your heart is.
Where your heart is.
Yes, usually if you're talking about home, people sometimes use come home even when they're away because their heart is there. But for grammar tests, stick to the feet rule.
Stick to the feet. I like that.
Jack, I want to try one more scenario, a business scenario, because we have a lot of professionals listening to Talk Flora.
Great idea. Business English needs to be precise.
You are in a meeting room, conference room B.
Okay, room B.
You need a file from your desk. Your desk is in another room.
Okay.
You are talking to your boss who is sitting next to you in room B. You need to leave, get the file, and return. What do you say?
Okay, I am leaving the room, so I will go and get the file.
Perfect. You are going away.
And then I will return, so I will come right back.
Boom. Did you hear that, listeners? I will go get the file and come right back.
One sentence, both words.
Both words correctly used. You go away to the desk and you come back to the boss.
That is such a useful phrase. I'll be right back. I'm coming back.
It shows you are returning to the current situation.
Jack, this has been so helpful. I feel like my brain is finally organizing these two words into the right boxes.
I'm glad to hear that. It's all about visualization.
Before we finish, I want to do a little speed round. Are you ready?
I was born ready. Let's do it.
I will give you a situation, you give me the phrase, quick.
Go.
You are knocking on a door. Someone is inside. What do they shout?
Come in.
You are angry at a cat that is scratching your leg.
Go away.
You see a friend across the street and want them to cross the street to you.
Come over here.
You are tired of this party and want to leave.
Let's go.
You are on the phone with your mom. She asks when you will visit.
I'm coming to see you soon.
You are telling a story about your childhood visit to Disneyland.
We went to Disneyland.
You are at Disneyland now, making a video for Instagram.
We came to Disneyland.
You are amazing, Jack. 10 out of 10.
Thank you, Emma. It's just practice. And that is what our listeners need to do.
Exactly. Listeners, do not be afraid to make mistakes. Even if you say, I'm going to your party instead of coming, people will understand you.
They will, but using the right word adds that extra level of natural fluency. It makes you sound like a native speaker.
And it makes you sound friendlier. I'm coming is just warmer.
It is. It's an invitation. So here is our challenge for you today. In the comments below, we want you to write 2 sentences.
Only two?
Just 2. Sentence 1, use come. Sentence 2, use go.
But try to use the party rule or the phone rule. Try to trick us.
Yes, try to make it a difficult one. We will be reading the comments and helping you with corrections.
And if you want to come back to our channel, see what I did there?
I saw it. Movement toward us.
If you want to come back for more English tips, please hit that subscribe button.
And give us a like if this video helped you clarify the confusion. It really helps our channel grow so we can keep making these conversations for you.
We have so many more topics coming up. We're going to talk about make versus do, say versus tell.
Oh, say versus tell is a nightmare. We definitely need to do that one next.
We will, but for today, thank you for coming to watch us.
And now, sadly, we have to go.
See, it works for everything.
It really does. Thank you so much for listening to Talk Flora. I'm Jack.
And I'm Emma. Keep practicing, keep talking, and we'll see you in the next one.
Bye, everyone.
Cheers!